Look at my head. And I got a big head. That's past my elbow to my wrist. Hey everyone, welcome back. It is October 8th and the frost will probably come soon. So we need to get these sweet potatoes dug up and curing for storage. All right here is sweet potatoes, but then I got sweet potatoes there, like all over the place. So we're gonna harvest a little bit and I'll show you the haul at the very end. I got my wheelbarrow here, so I'm just gonna toss sweet potatoes in there as I harvest them. I'm hoping to get a wheelbarrow full of sweet potatoes. Well, I better get a wheelbarrow full of sweet potatoes. With the amount of money I spent on the sweet potato slips, there better be a lot. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why. I just got excited and I was shopping online and I wanted more than I should have. Anywho, we'll see. So looks like only one plant survived in here. So I'm just gonna try to pull it out. Nah, maybe I'll loosen the soil. So this was like a trash can kind of thing that I filled with dirt just to have more space to accommodate all the sweet potato slips that I bought. Oh, this is really down in here. Broke some sweet potatoes. These plants look so healthy. Okay, so we had one come up with it. Oh, and it broke. Darn, have to dig it out. You know what? I think I need some pruners. Let me get some. It's cold out. It's like 50 degrees, so I got my old ratty coat. Good for gardening. So there's the root system. I'm gonna toss it over there. And then I think I'll put these plants in the compost. They're all intertwined. So I'll just do that. That'll work. Oh, this seems massive. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Okay, so for sweet potatoes, you plant when there's, in the spring, when there's like no chance of frost. Oh, it broke, but look. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Anyways, you plant sweet potatoes when there's absolutely no chance of frost. So like wait 2 weeks after your average last frost date and then plant them, and then they're good until before your first frost. You'll want to get them out. There's got to be more in here. One plant spent all of his energy making this massive thing, I suppose would make sense. But I want to find this. Oh, they're way down here. I'm going to find this broken piece. Oh. Okay. Well, I might have to dump this out. I planned to do that anyways in the raised bed, but I haven't, oh my, I cannot get it. I haven't cleared out the raised bed yet. Oh. Dude. Right? Oh. That's one sweet potato. I snapped it off when I pulled it out. Look at my head. And I got a big head. That's past my elbow to my wrist. Oh my gosh, I have never seen or grown. Okay. Cool. If I find more when I dump this out into the bed when I empty it, then cool. But I didn't feel anything. Oh, spoke too soon. It's just way down here. Oh, this is a big one too. Ha! Oh, the sprinkler's going. I thought it was raining. I was like, no, it's raining, but it's a sprinkler. Hope it's not getting you. Anyways, look at that. Oh, I just broke it. I don't know how far the root system goes, but it went farther than my hand could get down there. Oh, man. All right, I'll have to dump it out. My hand's already cold. All right. And this is a tote. It's not food grade, but I wanted more space for the sweet potatoes. I also gave a lot of sweet potato slips away to people. Just gave them for free and I didn't try to sell them. And I couldn't give enough away to not have to make a container. So I didn't want them to go to waste, so I filled this tote. Ooh. And the varieties are like Georgia something. I can't remember. I'll put it in the description. Okay, this tote's also going to get dumped into the raised bed to fill it up. So I might find more. I'm going to dump it out. Ah, that hurt. Everything hurts more when you're cold. Did you ever notice that? My hands are hurting. I'm going to take this drip out. I didn't bother running drip to these two. I hand watered them like I did my green stalks. Because I knew I wasn't going to keep them there. It's a really tight squeeze here with these tomato plants. And they're only there temporarily. So no need to go through the effort of drip. This is a big one, I can just tell. Oh, well, they're still in there. Ooh. Dang. It's an orange one, so it's like the first container. The red ones are all smaller, so I'll have to remember that when I pick out slips next year. So this one, I didn't plan on dumping out, so I'm not going to be able to see at the very bottom. It's really hard to dig with my hand, so let's try this. Oh, without falling over. Oh, yep. Little ones. Oh. All right, there's some more down here. Wow, so many roots. We're gonna do one more right over here. These ones are the ones that I'm most excited about because they're purple, and I love purple. So, let's see what we got in here. Ooh. There's our first one. Purple on the inside, purple on the outside. I'm excited. Okay, I got the plants out and the drip removed. I gotta dig in. Oh! Let me go over and set off so you can see. All right. So it started here, I think, and it grew this way, and it got pinched by this root. And then it grew this way, and that way, and that way, and it snapped off there at some point. And then I snapped it right here, so it must have split. But just, wow. I have not, I've never seen one this wound up, and I'm wondering why. Was there a sweet potato next to it that it was trying to avoid? The dirt in there should have been pretty lofty and soft, so I don't know, but just wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh. I can't even get my hands in here. Okay. Oh my gosh, come on, I can't get it out. There's two of them. There's three, or I don't know. Oh. Yeah, there's three. Okay. Oh my word. I think that must have been touching the bottom of the container. I gotta get some of this dirt out. Phew. All right, well, I'm gonna work on getting the dirt out. So I gotta clear out this bed to do that. You don't have to watch that. That'll be for planting garlic anyways. And I will show you the haul at the end. I'll show you the rest of the containers as well. But I don't want this to drag out and be boring and repetitive. So I'm gonna work on that, and you'll see. You'll see soon how much we get. From this one right here. Two of them right here. The large container right beside it was not very successful. Those are just little purple ones. From 2 bags by the back fence. I almost forgot about these 2 buckets back here next. We just did those 2 bags next to the fence and the pole, whatever. But yeah, there's 2 buckets right here that we gotta do as well. 2 5-gallon buckets. Look at that. This size of my hand. And much bigger. Very nice. These 3 up closer to us came from right in here. And this was empty. Not very much. And then the 3 in the back near the trellis is right here. Well, except for the tomatoes. These 3 containers here got us a whole pile. And here's the haul. And the biggest one actually broke. I put it together. But it was that big. All right, thanks for watching, and I'm going to pop up some videos for you, and I will see you next time, and feel free to like and subscribe. Bye.